Welcome to Australian Mining Product and Services, where innovation meets efficiency. Imagine a world where unscheduled maintenance is a thing of the past and production flows uninterrupted. That world is here. Our magnetic wear patch, repair bandages and leak seal clamps are engineered to extend the life of your machinery, reducing downtime and costs. With our anti-vibration nuts, we promise not only stability, but also longevity for your mechanical systems. We specialize in material handling hoses and hydro mining solutions, designed for the toughest conditions. Magnetic-backed liners, made from the most wear-resistant materials, ensure your equipment stands the test of time. From screen media to lagging, our products are synonymous with quality and reliability. Our highest seller ceramics are a testament to our commitment to higher efficiency and safety. Join the ranks of satisfied engineers who trust in our premium quality at competitive prices. Don't let maintenance disrupt your workflow. Contact us today at 1300 241 620. Visit australianminingservices.com.au. Australian Mining Product and Services. Delivering reliability with continuous improvement on time at affordable cost and exceeding all occupational health and safety requirements.